Hello guys, hello everyone, I just hope you are doing good bafethu. So if it's for the first time you're on the channel, please ensure to press the red button written subscribe, also press the bell and the like button bafethu. Ngiyacela kakhulu ukuthi subscribe la ikhaya bafethu. Mo subscribe kulula ucindezela ibutton lelibovu elibhalwe usubscribe kumahala, awukhokhi lutho, awuthengi lutho, awukoleti lutho, you just subscribe once and for all bafethu. So ngiyacela kakhulu ukuthi ke subscribe la ikhaya. Ngingachithi isikhathi ngingene odabeni engeliphethe namhlanje uSomahlaya woduma bafethu Pastor Mjosti owaziwa ngo2 laphana emidlalweni iHostela ke bafethu useyashiya ke kuona lo mdlalo ngenxa yezizathu ezithile ke bafethu. So apparently there's been changing ama production companies njengoba ke this show was produced by Stan Glass last year, but this year iproduced enye i-production company ke bafethu. So i-production company yakulonyaka ifike nemithetho yayo emisha angahambisananga nayo ke yena ke laphana uTholita bafethu ubeke esekhetha ukuthi ashiye phansi ke ngenxa ye-misunderstanding anayo between noma nje anayo ne-production company ke bafethu ke. So he wasn't fired on this show, but it is him that ditched the show bafethu. Kanti moving forward ngapha uGarafi on the other hand ku-Generation was fired ke bafethu. Yona ke he is expected to make his like last appearance on Generations The Legacy ngo-March. So he is expected ukuthi ke agcina ukubonakala kona lo mdlalo bafethu ngo-March. Yena ke waxoshwa ngezizathu ezithize njengoba ajoyina enye ishow i-Generations yabe ke isimkhethisa ke bafethu ukuthi ukukhetha ukuthi ke a-actele muphi ke, then wabe sekhotha le show ayeyijoyinile ke bafethu. Then kwaphela ngaye kanjalo ke. Mina ngifisa ukuzwa ukuthi ke ngabe nina nizizwa kanjani ngokuhamba kwalabalingisi kulezi zindawo ezahlukahlukene. Ikhona i-comment section ngenzansi ungawushiya khona umbono wakho. For today I'm done ngithi I love you all.
And I'm open to mine, so we all need some time just to settle down. Won't you come around, cause I never can leave it alone. Been coming in closer, been taking my time when they speeding off, writing and signing these deals they supposed to. I don't get motivation for something I wanna pursue, spitting hotter than toasters. Saturday grinding, I'm better off sitting back, mixing and chilling some fucking mimosas. Should we toast her, making $1,000 in my pocket? Like fine, that's good for me now. Or say fuck it, I'm taking my shit to some levels and bringing my friends overseas now. I can do it, but promise me every time I'll be down lower than hell. You digging me back to the surface, rocking the stage. You think I'm just cocky, but really I'm drowning inside, feeling nervous. Sound of the violins of the alarm clock, they waking me up when the harm stop. I'm dreaming we staying together, but honestly you kinda act like it's all games. And I'm tired of this, but it's sad cause I feel like you fine with this. And I'm mad as hell, but I cry for this. Just wasting my time, but it feels my game. Spit a rhyme to this, and that's real. Running in circles, never leave me alone. Say I don't answer the messages or pick up my phone. Say we all need some time just to settle down. Won't you come around, cause I never can leave it alone. Tell me your stories, but don't leave out the lies, cause I know I got some problems and I'm open to mine. So we all need some time just to settle down. Won't you come around, cause I never can leave it alone.